Have you recently experienced the inconvenience of a cracked or damaged windshield? Introducing TJM Industries' convenient mobile windshield repair and replacement services in Sunnyside, Washington. Ditch the cost of your dealership fees. Save big with our convenient mobile auto glass services. Reach out at 509-870-0026 to schedule your windshield repair or replacement today.
They were on time and installed my new windshield quickly. After I shopped around, they were the best deal by far. I'll give them 5 stars.
It's time to act. Contact us at TJM Industries by calling 509-870-0026 today. Your safety and satisfaction are our priorities. Our number again is 509-870-0026. Call today to schedule your appointment for mobile windshield repairs and replacements in Sunnyside, Washington. We have operators standing by to take your call.